the first thing I want to talk about is the hoodie, okay? So, one of the things I do, I talk about sustainability on another channel, and another channel that we run. And so they're talking about this hoodie like it's something sustainable. And they even said in this live stream, this is made of sustainable materials.
Decked in sustainability. Why is it sustainable, Rachel?
Well, first of all, it is made from sustainable products. Of course, you can check out the tag here for more information about how Razer has really embraced. Oh, sorry, we'll zoom right in there. I don't know if you can read that text. I didn't bring my glasses today, but you tell me.
More
More
trees, more
home.
Sneki Sneks.
And frankly, it is not. Let's go to the website, okay? Let me switch over to the website so you can see that. Okay, here is the hoodie. It's a cool hoodie. Like I'm getting one. It even says decked in sustainability. So let's take a look at the tech specs. Okay. So we have polyester spandex, cotton jersey. Raw material is cotton and spandex. I see nothing here that says sustainable. There is nothing out of the ordinary here that would suggest sustainability. If this was made out of recycled poly, some kind of recycled synthetic material, then yes. Okay. The cotton, if this was even organic cotton, that is better for the environment. That is way better than the environment. It uses less water, for one thing, which is a huge deal. Then I would call this more sustainable. There's nothing about what this is made out of that is more sustainable than anything else. What they are referring to is the Okotex standard 100 certified fabric. What this is, and I'll even pull it up, okay? Best known labels for textiles tested for harmful substances. Okay. That is what that's talking about. Now, this isn't a bad thing, okay? This is a very good thing. In a way, this does mean it's more sustainable, because if you're using fabrics and things that are less harmful for humans when they're manufactured, for instance, that means that any wastewater that's used, any wastewater from these mills that are making these fabrics that's going out into the environment, it's not going to cause as much harm. Okay? So this is definitely a good thing. Just what I'm seeing here with the hoodie, I'm just not convinced that it's that sustainable, even with that certified fabric. I think there's a lot more they could do. Now, maybe they would have to knock up the price point if they started using organic cotton and some recycled stuff. But as much as they're pushing this as like a sustainable hoodie, that's just, it's not quite there as far as I'm concerned. There's some weird stuff with their lingo, how they're advertising this, that I'm not a huge fan of.